Pasal apa ada lelaki atau perempuan yang curang berkali-kali? And no, it's not always because they don't love you. Kadang-kadang mereka memang sayang kat you. But please understand this. Love is not the same as character. Seseorang tu boleh sayang you and still be selfish, still be impulsive, still tak pandai nak control diri, still crave attention from other people. Mereka suka validation daripada luar. That's why bila someone curang berkali-kali, this is no longer about silap atau terlanjur. This is a pattern. And pattern tu tak mai from nowhere. Kadang dia curang pasal dia addicted to attention. Dia sukalah dia rasa laku. Dia suka dia rasa ada orang lain nak kat dia. It feeds their ego. And kadang bukan pasal seks pun. It's because they feel empty on the inside. Dia tak tahu how to deal with stress, boredom, insecurities atau emotional emptiness. So instead of facing the real issue, dia pergi cari excitement. Dia pergi cari distraction. Dia cari escape. And that's why ramai orang confused. Kalau dia sayang kat aku, pasal apa dia pergi buat lagi? Because again, sayang someone doesn't automatically mean that you have integrity. That one, ramai orang susah nak accept. And bila cheating happens more than once, please stop calling it a mistake. Pasal if it happens sekali, maybe yes lah, terrible mistake. Tapi kalau berkali-kali, that is no longer an accident. That is a behavioral pattern. And I will say this, bila someone curang, kena kantoi, menangis, minta maaf, you forgive, dan dia buat lagi. Tahu tak what they learn? It says to them that I can hurt this person and still keep them. That's why repeated cheating ni is so dangerous. Not just because of the betrayal, but also every time you forgive without real change, your boundary gets weaker and their confidence gets stronger. I will repeat that again. Every time you forgive without real change, your boundary gets weaker. Their confidence gets stronger. And no, ni bukan victim blaming ya. This is boundary education. Pasal ramai sangat duk tanya this wrong question. Why does my partner keep cheating on me? The more important question should be, why do you keep staying with this cheating partner? That question, that one can save your life. See, you need to heal. Dan healing ni is not just understanding the cheater. Healing is understanding why you keep hoping, why you keep rationalizing, why your standards keep moving, and why their apology sounded so much louder than their behavior. Okay, let me be fair. Not every cheater will cheat forever. People do change. But repeated cheating without accountability, without transparency, without consequences, tak ada deep repentance, tak ada real behavioral change, usually means this: they are only sorry that they got caught, but not sorry enough to transform. So if you're dealing with someone yang curang berkali-kali, please jangan just dengar dia punya words je. Jangan just tengok ayat mata dia je. Study the pattern, because words can manipulate, tears can soften you, tapi pattern, now that will tell you the truth.